Oh, hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about BitTorrent chain goes live with BTT redenominations. The coin gets smarter because on December 12, 2021, the developer launched the mainnet of BTTC with BTT redenominations. Now BTT support Ethereum, Tron and Binance Smart Chain. It's allow decentralized transfers of assets without any restriction, and it will support more chain in the futures while maintaining its current market capitalizations. The supply of BitTorrent tokens has increased at the ratio of 1:10,000, which means tokens are now available in crypto market. The old ones are named BitTorrent and new coins are known as BTT. It enhances BTTC ecosystem and lower entry barrier of global investors. Besides that, it increases the coin value and diversity in the course, giving opportunity to as a new super network that could connect all chains. It is the world-first heterogeneous cross-chain protocol acts of proof of stake mechanism for scaling smart contracts. The use case of new BTT tokens as follows: a validator BTTC networks, stake on BTTC to gain rewards, role of governments of BTC community, pay gas fees as native tokens of network. Developers said the two coins would exist for some time. Exchanges, investors and promoter were requested to swap the old BTT into a new BTT within 30 days. Some exchanges may not support the redenomination process. That's why we BitTorrent with available on exchange and work like their original use cases. BitTorrent technical analysis: the price of BTT been bought or surprises couple twist on turn. Currently BitTorrent price is trading $0.0001071 million with circular supply. The total of supply of the market capitalizer BitTorrent with a 24-hour trading volume 52686637. The future seems bright. BTT expert technical analysis because its product recent decentralized blockchain innovation. The all-time of price of BTT since beginning of the year, BTT tokens had traded lower that date with few in between spikes on January 18th price of BitTorrent. However, after that it faced rejection the last month after BTT price market moderate recovery, but it could be managed 0.00017 level.